don't mean to toot my own horn, but toot toot. And toot toot is for way more than a bedroom. Your man tryna cuff me at once for a comparison. Your squad is real cute, but y'all tryna take on the garrison. Don't get body by singing, bitch, and I keep a real body when I'm filthy rich. I'ma throw it back, hope you catch the pitch. Different girl every night, he'll love to switch. If you're feeling lucky, come and run up. Otherwise, sit back and just shut up. I get lit, you get lit up. You get hit, I get hit up. Talking shit, just shut up. Shut up, just shut up. Shut up. Just shut up. Just shut up. I like Fendi, and you like pretending. Just copped a new whip, and now I am trending. Why are you stalking my Twitter and Instagram? Might as well give me the follow. You wanna be me, but I'm calling you fan. I'll give you a Birkin to borrow. You can't compete where you don't compare. Down to my air, I like my hair. My man is solid, we don't care. Cause best believe that I don't share. When I walk in, you better know what to do. I'll give you a couple seconds, at most I'll give you 2. I get lit, you get lit up. You get hit, I get hit up. Talking shit, just shut up. Shut up, just shut up. Shut up. Just shut up. Just shut up. At least you could say I tried.
From late nights on the phone to candlelight dinners, now I'm sitting at home alone, dancing on my feelings. You and Michael Jackson bath. I may throw away them feelings, do the math. You don't add to me. You don't wanna build, you just do it for the thrills, and it hurts me. You ain't worthy. Got you in a lie saying bye, bye, bye. You ain't worthy. Ain't no mercy, yeah. How do you expect me to lie you, boy, when you do that? Telling me this and that just when I pull back, yeah, yeah. It's a shame, and I was gonna take your last name. Baby, don't you know my touch is my diss? I find another man, maybe that'll treat me. Make it too easy for you to take me through hell, no. At least you could say I tried. At least I tried, yeah. At least you could say I tried, yeah. Say I tried. Good luck to your next one. Her favorite music is probably from your ex one. Hit up my girls and find my next one. Cause giving pressure and gas like an Exxon. How do you expect me to lie you, boy, when you do that? Telling me this and that just when I pull back, yeah, yeah. It's a shame, and I was gonna take your last name. Baby, don't you know my touch is my diss? I find another man, maybe that'll treat me. Make it too easy for you to take me through hell.